Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. So, nama saya Adam bin Zubir, lebih dikenali sebagai Dr. Adam Zubir di social media saya. Profession saya ni in terms of, seorang licensed financial planner dengan Bank Negara Malaysia dan juga Securities Commission. Pun boleh dikenali sebagai seorang financial speaker, trainer and coach, and also asal daripada Kajang, Selangor. Okay, where I am right now, saya plan to expand our influence in terms of educating people in financial planning and financial management. So all this while saya just cowboy saja, pakai suka tiap apa yang saya nak pakai. Saya tak pernah mengambil berat terhadap penampilan saya, tetapi saya yakin kalau saya nak reach out to more people, have more people listen and trust and believe in whatever that I have to share. So I need to start putting effort into my appearance atau penampilan diri. So I think that's the reason why I come and seek professional image consultant help, alright, which is Dr. N. I think that's the reason why. So dari segi penampilan Dr. N, memang my first impression, I've met with the right consultant because she looks classy, she looks elegant. And I think that's the look that that portrays confidence and also trust. But in terms of penampilan, she's very friendly. She listens, and also she's very methodical. Okay, methodical di sini maksudnya everything yang Dr. N sampaikan ada sistem. Okay, ada sistem, ada proses. Sebab bila ada sistem dan ada proses ni, kita mudah faham. I think that's very important. Untuk orang yang memang tidak ada ilmu langsung ataupun ilmu pengetahuan dalam penampilan diri ini. So which that's me lah. I think the first thing is the colour. Okay, colour. Like me myself, I never know what colour suit me best. So lepas hadiri sesi bersama dengan Dr. N, whole day session with Dr. N, I feel that I know my colour. What are the right colour for me myself. Kadang-kadang kita tak tahu kita ni sesuai pakai colour kuning ke, colour biru ke, colour merah ke. Tapi rupa-rupanya semua colour ni kita boleh pakai, cuma dia punya tone dia. Ataupun dia punya kan colour-colour ni kan dia ada banyak shade kan. So we just want to find the right shade for us. I think that's very huge. That's number one. Yang kedua adalah style kita. Okay, style kita. Sebab saya memang clear, I'm not a very formal guy, I'm not a corporate guy. Okay, saya dulu kerja doktor, and then lepas kerja doktor saya jadi entrepreneur, right? Seorang ahli perniagaan. So bila ahli perniagaan ni technically you boleh pakai sesuka hati je lah kan, tetapi sebab I'm also a speaker trainer, a public figure, so I need to have a certain look. Dan that style tu yang saya dapat daripada Dr. N. Okay, saya pun tak pernah tahu pun wujudnya sport jacket. Sampai saya jumpa Dr. N, itu sport jacket. So that's my second aha moments lah throughout this session with Dr. N. And then the last but not least is simplicity. Maksudnya saya suka simple. I'm a very simple guy, simple person. That's why I can make quick decision. Okay, saya memang inspired by fashion, contohnya macam Steve Jobs or even Mark Zuckerberg, right? Kalau you tengok baju diorang, pakaian diorang, simple, okay? Tak fashionable pun, but these people are already known, alright? So kalau anda baru nak melangkah, kan? Maksudnya nak sampai ke tahap itu, dalam perjalanan untuk sampai ke satu tahap yang anda nak capai, you need to portray an image that resemble confidence, trustworthiness, power and smart. Okay, that sophisticated look. Definitely if you are in my industry, kalau you memang seorang public speaker, trainer or coach, someone who always go out to speak to public, and you have something important to portray, ataupun anda ada sesuatu benda yang sangat-sangat penting untuk anda sampaikan kepada masyarakat. Contohnya, tak kisahlah di social media ataupun di media-media besar lah, macam TV ke radio dan sebagainya. To me, it's very important for you to understand what kind of look that you are portraying to the public. Because one thing that I sort of believe in, one of my principle is that saya tak suka buat benda 2-3 kali. Saya tak suka buat benda yang tak bermanfaat. Okay, tak bermanfaat ni maksudnya, you dah bagi talk, okay, like a very great speech. You gave a great speech, but because of your image, people don't listen to you. So technically it's, the input tu you tak put so much, you tak put effort. If you don't put effort on the input, then the output won't be as good, right? So if you put some effort or more effort into your input ni dari segi cara penyampaian, cara percakapan, cara penampilan diri, so the output tu akan lebih efficient, right? You will reach out to more people. So it goes back to you. If you want to reach out to more people, image is part of it, right? Not just the way you talk, how you talk, but also how you present yourself.